prehistoric Roomba has been quietly saving human lives for decades, but you've probably never even thanked it. So today I want to tell you about horseshoe crabs, which are actually a group of species that are categorized as living fossils. Horseshoe crabs are unique in a number of ways, like the way that they glow under UV light like scorpions, and that they're not technically crabs. But today I just want to focus on the properties of their blood for the way that it intersects with medicine. So first things first, the most striking thing about horseshoe crab blood is that it's bright blue. I mean bright blue. This is because their blood uses a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin that turns the blood blue when exposed to air. In contrast, our blood uses an iron-rich protein, which only, boringly, turns our blood brighter red when exposed to air. The second really interesting thing about horseshoe crabs is that their blood has saved innumerable human lives. Their blood has these very reactive immune cells in it that when they sense foreign or invading bacteria, they immediately start to clot around it to seal it off from attacking the rest of the body. It's actually a really cool biological defense mechanism. But because of this awesome feature, scientists have been using horseshoe crab blood in vaccine quality testing since the 1970s. If the immune sensitive component of their blood reacts with something in the vaccine, it will turn this cloudy or clotted color. Thus, horseshoe crab blood has actually helped ensure that when humans are getting vaccinated, we're not also getting injected with things that can make us really sick or even kill us. Due to their use in this type of testing, over 1 million horseshoe crabs are rounded up and have their blood harvested in the United States alone each year. The intent is for this to be a catch and release system, but it's not perfect and it doesn't always go well, and the mortality rate for the horseshoe crabs does run a notable 10 to 30%. Horseshoe crab mortality that occurs as a result of the blood harvesting process has absolutely decreased horseshoe crab populations in the wild. Recognition of the ecological impacts of horseshoe crab use has led scientists to develop an alternative, a synthetic compound that could be substituted for what the horseshoe crab blood does in our vaccine testing. Unfortunately, the United States was definitely one of the slower countries to embrace this alternative. In May of 2025, US Pharmacopoeia, a nonprofit that helps ensure US drug quality, finally gave us the official okay to go ahead and use this alternative compound. So very soon, horseshoe crabs should no longer need to suffer for human gain. Gotta love a happy ending.